What's up everyone? It's me, your Sulitri John Valencian. Welcome back to Chule Asia Diaries. Mega love shoutout mga kapamilya. We are back for another reaction video for Jamiel in ASAP, and this is featuring Avery and Christian, who is the winner of TNT Duets champion as well for season 2. Oh my god, si Avery at si Christian pa lang nanalo. I think they're the batchmate of Carmel, guys, if I'm not mistaken. So they joined duets, TNT Duets, and they won the championship as well. So exciting to, dalawang champions ng TNT Duets singing Sinta ng AG. So tingnan natin how they will nail this performance. But before proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. Oh my god, AGs. Woo, look at Jamiel. Ay, oo, parang batchmate nga ni Carmel to si Avery at si Christian. Siya lang ng damitan ng Mariel. Uy. Wow. In fairness naman talaga. Si Avery parang runners-up siya together with Christian, if I'm not mistaken, guys. Sobrang galing din ng dalawang to. Oh my god, I'm so excited to check out their duet performance. Of course, the season 1 champs. Iba ang ngiti, ah. Kabugan. Wow! Oh my God, grabe yung taasan ng boses ni Christian at ni Avery. Talagang ibang duet ito, ha, guys. Let's go back to that. Tapos simple lang kay Avery yung taas ng boses na yun, ha? Oh my God, in fairness to their vocal, it fits together na parang high tone based yung duet, but it's soothing to the ears. Let's go back a bit, guys. Diba? Tapos parang kalmado lang si Avery, parang hindi siya nahihirapan. Wow! Iba din naman talaga ang Jamiel, guys. Oo. Iba talaga ang season 1 champion din. Uy! Balikan natin sa Jamiel. Sanay na talaga ang Jamiel sa ano nila, duet. Kay mga tingin na ganyan talaga ng Jamiel, nakakainis eh. There you have it, guys. That is TNT champs Jamiel and Avery and Christian singing Sinta and ASAP. Oh my God, nabitin tayo. Ang ikli naman pala ng video na yun. Uy, akala ko buong kanta. But still, nonetheless, iba talaga ang TNT duet. So, in fairness, sa ating grand champion na bagong grand champion, Avery and Christian. I think yung mga university yun sa TNT, guys, kasabay nila si Carmel, if I'm not mistaken. And then, of course, Jamiel is the first season Duets champion. So, I'm so excited to check out ano nga ba ang mga performance ni Avery at ni Christian sa TNT Duets Season 2. And of course, abangan din natin ang Jamiel sa Your Face Sounds Familiar. Ayan. And of course, if you enjoy this reaction video, guys, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.